Okay guys, and welcome back to this new short video. I don't know, maybe it's going to be short. So actually, in our last video we talk about we designing something simple for our YouTube thumbnail. So actually I've made a fix on the post, like on the picture that I'm designing. So this is just to let you know how to use Canva. So you are just going to use your own ideas, your own initiative, and your competitors. You are going to check your competitors to create your own design. So it's not that you actually follow the same thing that I'm doing. That's very important. You should put in mind. Okay. And also, in this video, I'm going to tell you some things that are kind of essential that you must put in your YouTube thumbnail in order to have a very good click-through rate, in order for people to click on your video more than your competitors. So now let me go back so you can just see exact things that I did. So if you remember very well, okay, this is it. So I just drag this, I make it more smaller, understand, I change the color to black, and also I add more to this, then I change all this to cap, something like that. So something simple like that. Then I drag this out a bit, then I take this in, understand. Okay, so something simple like this is just the quick fix I did to it. And I think it looks more dope simple like this than the previous one. I don't know, you just have to play around with it. As I said earlier, I said this video is just to let you understand different things that you need to do. Okay, now there is something we call title when you are making a video on YouTube. So now let's imagine the title of your video is going to be something like best gaming laptop under $50. So now the word $50, okay, let me say $500. Then you must put something catchy, best gaming laptop. Then you just put like maybe something like dollar sign or something. You must put it there. It's so essential. You need to put something that is going to be catchy in your, like, the stuff must be in your title. You must have the word. It's not really compulsory though. You must have something that is going to be in relationship with your title in your thumbnail. That's very important. Put that in mind. And also, you must design yourself in a brandable way. So let's imagine a brand color. Let me say something like this. So anything you are designing, you must put that color there. So maybe your audience that knows your color, when they see that color, they will know that okay, that's your color. Like Dave Lee now, Dave 2D. When you go to his own channel, he has kind of blue color, or let me say green, something close to green, but he has that color. Anytime you see that color, you know that that is his own brand. So does Marquez. He has something like this color. We design it in the initial videos in the YouTube channel art. So he do put it in his own brand color and black. So you too, you must look like come up with a color that you know that maybe a mix of this color and this color is your own brand color. So anytime you are designing your own YouTube thumbnail, you put that color there. So when your audience, the little audience you are growing, when they do see that color, they know that okay, this is so person, this is your brand, this is this company. So it will help you a lot in order to get more engagement and get return visitors back to your videos, and they will love to watch more about your videos.